Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be letting you in on the latest update in Canva. What is new in Canva? What are the recent updates in Canva? But before we get right into it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. The first on the list is the text animations. So before now, Canva had some text animations, which are like the regular, the block, the pan, and the other ones we know. But they recently introduced animation effect like the typewriter, the accent, and lots more. I am going to be showing you that. So to access this, just click on your text, then you click on the animate option, which is where you can see my cursor. Now you see there's the block, the typewriter, accent, bounce, bust, and a lot of them. The ones with the crowns are available only to the pro users. Now this is the typewriter. You see how it goes. I really love all of this effect. My favorite is the typewriter. Which is yours? So this is the ascend, and this is the bounce. I think this is really great for YouTube videos. I love this. Then there's the bust. Then we have the roll. Then the shift. Then skate. Then we have the breathe. So breathe, pan, fade, all of these were there before. The drift, this is available only to the pro users since they are the ones with the crown. So which of these are your favorite? Which of these do you like? For me, it's going to be the number one is typewriter. The second, ascend. Then I think I love bust. In fact, I love all of them, but my favorite is the typewriter. Now to the second update. Canva has introduced 3 new frames. They had letter frames of different types, but now they have introduced 3 new types. And what I like about these ones is that we have one specific to fonts. Let me just show you instead of speaking too much. So to access this, you have to type in plus, that's the plus sign, letter, plus again, frame, plus tropical. Tropical is spelled Tropikal. So for this, I'll just select, then copy. Copy. Then I'll go on to my elements and paste. So as you can see, what I typed in was plus. That's the plus sign, then letter, plus again, frame, plus tropical. Then I click on the enter key. Then I want to click on graphics, so I only see options under the graphic. And I love this new frame font. So let's play around this. I will just spell out love because I love it. So I'll just select all of this, reduce the size. Then so what I want to do now, I also want to make sure they are well aligned. So I'll click on position, then tidy up. Then I want to centralize it. And that is it. Now you can play around this. What I want to do now, I will just add a bit of glitter into all of this. So I go on to elements. Let me just use one of the glitters I've used before. So then I am going to drag and drop it into each letter. Okay, then I'm going to say I want to just use multiple black glitter. So I just searched for black glitter. I just want this one to be plain with a touch of glitz. Then okay, I want to use this one. So I'm basically just dragging and dropping it into every of the frame. And there you go. I want to shift this a bit. And there you have it. This is so beautiful. You can play around it. Just play around it to suit your taste. You can also add human images inside all of these frames. You can also add videos. So basically just play around with it till you achieve what you want. So for the next one is letter frame with the Anton font. For this, the same thing we are going to do, letter plus frame plus Anton. So I'm just going to Control A here, Control copy and paste it. Again, I'll click on graphics. Now these are the fonts. You can see that the font is different from the tropical. So this is the Anton font. So again, I'm just going to search again for love. So L-O-V-E. So L-O-V-E. Then I group all of them, just doing the same thing I did, reduce the size. Again, I will group all of this, position and tidy up. So this helps the space in evenly. So this is it. So for this one, I can choose to add an image of a human. Let's try that. Or let's use flowers instead. So again, just dragging and dropping it into the frame. So you can see that. For this one, I'm going to be using the same image across all of them. So I want this to cover up, but not so much. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like this, using the same image again. Same image again. So I want this to be sort of plain, just a little touch. Okay. So what I did here was just to drag and drop. So this is for the Anton frame, the Anton letter frame. So you see, like I mentioned, you can choose to add glitter, which was what we did for this. For the tropical, and for the Anton, I just played around adding images like flowers. So for the third letter frame that was introduced, this one is called the Agrandea. Again, what you do is type in plus letter plus frame plus Agandra. So I just Control A, that's copy and paste it onto my element. As you can see, these are the fonts for this one. So this is the Agandra font. I love this one. So we're going to do the same thing. I will search for love. As you can see, this font is really wide. So it's wider than the other fonts we saw. And there are different options. You can see this is slim. Let me delete this so you can understand what I'm saying. This L here is large. That's the one where my cursor is. And you can see this one here is the slimmer one. So you should take note of that. I'm going to delete this one. I think I prefer using this. So this is kind of slimmer. So V in. Again, group it. Size it. And I'm going to just separate it. I'm going onto my position, then space evenly, tidy up. Remember I mentioned you can also add videos. So let us try to make this one a video. So for this, you can add videos. And I'm just going to look for love or heart. Then click on videos. So it filters my search to just videos. So I could have something like this, then put it into my video. You see when this plays, you can see the video playing. So this is just to show you that you can also have videos into your frame. So for this, I'm just basically playing around it so you can see. So let me search for spark. So let us have a sparkle effect. Again, I'll filter my search to just show videos. Trying to look for the one that I love. You can also reduce the timing right here where I have my cursor. So I will just fill this into this screen. Fill this also into this. So that is basically it for this. So you can just keep on filling. You can fill in your frame with whatever you want. Fill in mine with this one right here with a video. I want to use another video. And this is when you play this one, you will notice that it is going to play in a video format. So that is the third frame. Now the final update in this tutorial is you can now have multiple brand kits. So before now, you can just have Canva allows you to have only one brand kit. So brand kit is where you can have your logos, your brand font and whatnot. Let me show you. So in your brand kit, you can have your brand logos, your brand colors, you can have your brand fonts, and you can also upload fonts. Now this is my own brand kit. You can see I have lots of fonts that I uploaded. So if you want to access your brand kit, once you click on the Canva homepage, you click on brand kit. Now you see it allows you to add multiple brand kits, as you can read here. So it says manage multiple brands in Canva. So if you're a social media manager or you're a freelancer that handles multiple brands, and you want to, make sure you have all of their brand kits in Canva, and also make sure that they are segmented. So what you can do is just to click on add brand kit. So you title the brand kit. So for example, let me just title this Canva. Then you create. And you see, now this is the brand kit. You see, once you click on brand kits, now this is it. This is the untitled one I have. I can rename this, and this is the one we just created. So now you can upload your brand logos, you can upload your brand palette, you can add a brand font, either from the ones available in Canva, or you can upload your custom brand fonts. And that is it for the new updates in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.